Hello everybody, coming back to Mishawaka. Look at these neat sculptures. What, Glenn? Look, I love art. That is talent. Oh, birds on top of a bird. That's so funny. Kinda I'm gonna miss this area when we move east. Hopefully it's east. Look at how high the river's gone. Wow. Look at that though. Isn't that neat? Two birds on top of the bird. Yeah, that's cool. Man, the river is high. This park goes on forever. I'm like literally all the way on the other side of Mishawaka. And I think I don't know. That's great though. But I'm sure where we're moving is going to have it too. Look at those birds. That bird is under the water, not floating on the water. Aw, I hope it's okay. Oh, he's fishing? That is so cool. Where did it go? It didn't pop back up. How long can they breathe underwater? Come on, little birdie. Oh, it's over there. Man, that's nature.